Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just seeded the fourth developer betas of watchOS 26, tvOS 26, and regionOS 26, arriving 2 weeks after the release of the third round of betas. Developers with an active Apple developer account can download the updates directly from the Settings app on each respective device. Like iOS 26 and macOS 26, both watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 incorporate Apple's new liquid glass design aesthetic inspired by Vision OS, bringing a sleeker and more immersive interface across platforms. In watchOS 26, users can gain access to an AI-powered workout buddy for added motivation, enhanced smart stack suggestions based on personal context, and a brand new Notes app, as well as live translation for real-time communication assistance. tvOS 26 introduces fun and practical new features such as karaoke support using an iPhone as a microphone, improved AirPlay speaker integration, beautiful new aerial screensavers, and faster app logins during setup thanks to Apple account syncing. As for Vision OS 26, it brings exciting special computing enhancements, including the ability to play special widgets freely in your environment, more realistic personas, and shared special experience that allow two Vision Pro users to collaborate in the same virtual space. These updates continue to refine Apple's next-generation platforms ahead of their expected public launch this fall.